up, people? It's me, Josiah, and today we are going to be doing 3-digit division by 2 with remainder. So, in Josiah's math class, that's what we're going to be doing today. But before we start the video, you're going to take your fist, and if you see a red subscribe button, you know what to do with it. Bam! 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 And let's get to the video. Alright, so can 2 go into 1? Well, no. So we're gonna bring the 1 over here. Alright, so can 2 go into 12 now? Yes, it can. With 6, because 2 times 6 is 12, which has to mean 12 divided by 6 is 2. It's fact families. Now, can 2 go into 7? Well, yeah, it can, but since 7 is not evenly divisible by 2, it's going to create a remainder. But if this was a 3, it would be. Actually, no, it wouldn't. I don't know. Whatever, you get my point. Okay, so what's the closest number 2 can make? Let's see. 2, 4, 6. 63. And with 1 remainder. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Alright, anyways, let's move on to the next problem. And 2 go into 1. We entered that over here, so my point is no. So we're going to bring the 1 over here. So can 2 go into 10 though? Like, yes, it can. With what? 5, because 2 times 10, 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 10 divided by 5 equals 5. I mean 2, yeah. Okay, well, does 2 go into 5? No, because just like the 7 over here, 5 is also not evenly divisible by 2. So we're going to see what's the closest number we can get by using 2 for the groups. 2, 4, 6. Oh, it's 4. So that means it's 2. With 1 remainder. Again, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, can 2 go into 2? Well, yeah, I can, because 2 times 1 is 2, which has to mean 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we're going to start with this one. Now, can 2 go into 1? No, I mean, can 2 go into 11 though? Yes, no. It's not 11. Can 2 go into... This problem's hard, man. Well, nothing can stop math, so it doesn't matter if we take 100 years, we're still gonna solve the problem. Even though we'd probably die if we took 100 years. Whatever, you get my point. Can 2 go into 1? Well, let's see about that. Yeah, no, it can't, so we're gonna put a 0. I mean, I said can, right? Well, I think I did, so we're gonna put it can't. So we're just gonna put the 0. And how many groups of 2 can go into 5? Well, 2, just like over here, 2, because 5 is not evenly divisible by 2. So we're going to have 1 remainder. You guys can see that, right? Okay. Can 2 go into 1? Well, we're actually going to see if you guys paid attention. So, by the way, it's cheating if you go back and see what I did. Gotta focus so you can get it right the first time. That's what my mom always tells me when I do my work. You gotta focus so you can do it right. Can 2 go into the 1? Well, yeah, no. So we're gonna bring the. No, I'm not gonna bring it. We're gonna bring the 1 over here. So can 2 go into 16? Well, let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Yeah, it can. You know what? Actually, 2 can go into anything that's even. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I don't. It's hard for me to count that fast. You get my point, guys. You get my point. Okay, so yeah. So wait. I forgot which number to stop at. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So 8. Now can 2 go into 9? Again, like this, and like this. It's not evenly divisible by 2. But I cannot tell you, I actually think it's evenly divisible by 3. Yeah, it is. Because 3 times 3 is 9. Yeah. So, anyways, let's not get you guys confused. So, how many groups of 2 can you get to the closest number from 9? 8, because 4 plus 4 equals 8. So we're gonna put 4. Okay, anyways, moving on to this problem. We gotta check this one first. So, yes, 2 can go into 16 with 8. And this is either 2 or 4. It's 4. So we got it right. Oh yeah, we forgot to put the remainder. With 1 remainder. Right, now you can see it since I was blocking it. I don't know why I do that. Anyway, so moving on to the next problem. Can 2 go into 2? Well, yeah, so we're going to start with this one. With 1, just like on one of these problems, right here, just like on this one. Now, can 2 go into 2? Yes, we're going to put 1. Can 2 go into 7? No, ugh. Yes, it can. But since it's not evenly divisible by 2, we're going to have to find the closest number that 2 can make. Which is 6, because 2 times 3 is 6. With 1 remainder. Can you guys see that? I can. Okay. So, it's 113 with remainder 1. Now, moving on to the last but not least hard problems. Let's get this done. Because we are the math people. We have to solve every quest of math. It is not acceptable in this class to not solve math. Can 2 go into 3? Yes. So since 3 is not evenly divisible by 2, how many groups of 2 can you get out of 3? Well, you can get 1. So we're going to bring the remainder over here. Now, can 2 go into 11? Again, yes, but we're going to have a remainder. So, we are going to put 2, 4, 5, because that is the closest number 2 can make to 11. And we're going to bring our, again, remainder to here. Now, can 2 go into 11? We just answered that. Yes, it can. With what number? 5. Since 11 is not evenly divisible by 2. With 1 remainder. And by the way, guys, this is a 113. There you go. Now, can 2 go into 3? We already answered that. Yes. So now we're going to bring our remainder over here. Can 2 go into 11? Yes. With what? 5. Now, we're going to bring our remainder here. Can 2 go into 15? Yes. With what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, so with 7. And since we're just going to get stuck with the remainder. Yeah, we're just going to get stuck with the remainder. Since this is the last part of the problem. So, now let's review. 127 divided by 2 equals 63 with 1 remainder. 105 divided by 2 equals 52 with 1 remainder. 215 divided by 2 equals 102 with 1 remainder. 169 divided by 2 equals 84 with 1 remainder. 227 divided by 2 equals 113 with, again, 1 remainder. 311 divided by 2 equals 155 with 1 remainder. 315 divided by 2 equals 157 with 1 remainder. Now, guys, that is it for the video. Comment down if you like this. Well, if you can comment down below. Because, yeah, YouTube has some rules that... Anyways, you get my point. Yeah, so don't forget to take your fist. And if you see a red subscribe button, smash it. Same thing with the like button. Same thing. Don't judge. I don't even know how to draw a hand. Well, I do, but I don't know how to draw a thumb. Oh, you got my point. Why am I so... Bro. I don't know what's wrong with me today, but take your fist and smash that like button. And yeah, peace out, people.